Morning, we shall see the sounds for the letters. First, we'll see for A. The main sound for A is A, as in apple, bat, and so on. Then we have the sound A, as in day, game. A itself is the sound for A, one of the other sounds. The next is A sound, as in after, army, these ones. Then you have the final sound It is for the article mainly. It is like this is a book. Is the fourth sound for A. And then we go to the letter B. The letter B, the sound is B. Rub, tub, B. Band, build, board. Then we go to C. C has two sounds, the hard sound and the soft sound. The hard sound is k, k. You have k sound. K, at, cat, act, act. You don't say ik. If you say ik, it becomes like ik. So we say only k. And very softly, don't say like cat. Just say cat. Then you have D. The other soft sound is S, as in city. Then we come to D. We can take the letter, the word red, the color. R-E-D, red. Here, this is red. D, red, red, red. D, do, builder. Then we come to E. E itself is one of the sounds, like in eagle. We say E itself for E. And then you have the other sound, which is a bit difficult and different. Okay, maybe not difficult. Eh, eh. When you pronounce the letters L, you're saying actually E-L. L. And then M, E-M, M, N, N, E-N. I'm doing it slowly so that you can listen to the sound for E, 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 egg, bed, wet, 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 bed. Then you have F. F, the sound is F, 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 fan, after. Then PH also comes as F in phone, physics. Then you have UGH also as F, rough, ROUGH. R and then sound. OU becomes a sound. And then this GH, it gives the F sound. F, rough. Okay, then we'll go to G. G, there are two sounds again, like C, the hard sound and the soft sound. The hard sound is G, gorilla, target. Then the soft sound is, it borrows the sound of J, J. So it says like in giant, gentle. We write G, but we give the J sound. Then you come to H. You have to start from the stomach, like H, 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 ha, H, at, hut, hand, white. Then you have I. I itself is one of the sounds. Night, fine. In these words, you have I having the I sound itself. The name and the sound are the same. The other sound is E. It's a very short sound. It comes between two letters. For example, B and T and I in the middle. Bit. But when it comes as a E slowly, it becomes the letter Y. For example, boy. You have Y at the last and nobody says boy. You say boy. But in bit, no, we cannot drag the E. If you drag the E, B, E, B, B, it, beat. The pronunciation becomes wrong. So I is a very short E sound. E. No, just stop it here itself. So I, T, it. B, it, bit. A, T, at. B, at, bat. Then we'll go to, after I, we'll go to J. J, the sound is J. jug, j, ug, jug. Then we go to K. K is also K, the same as C, and you have even CK as K sound. Luck, duck. With K in the starting, you have kite. After that, we go to L. L. I'm saying the last sound, no? L. That is the sound for L. Lemon, lollipop. Lemon, lollipop. And then you have M. M. Man. Men. Umbrella. Then you have N. N you say N. N. Pen. Nasty boy. Naughty boy. Net. Banana. Then you have O. O has O itself as one of the sounds. Like in go. G, O, go. Then you have the original sound. O sound. Orange. Frock. Robber. Ox. Then you have P. 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 Pen. Pencil. Apple. P. P. Then you have Q. Q is the same as C and K. K. But usually it comes as Q U. Q. Q. That way it becomes like a quarter. Q and that A comes. So quarter. Okay. Quiet. Queen. Always Q is followed by an U in English. After Q we have R. 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 You can even say ir lightly, but r. Rose. 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 And see, no, that S is actually pronounced as Z. Is, was, rose, goes. There are S's over there, but we have to pronounce like Z while we are speaking. That happens. Okay. After S, we'll go to T. 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 And you tell it softly, you say tea, cattle, coat, tumbler, T. After that you have U. U has the sound U itself as in uniform or unicorn. And then the sound A as in umbrella. Then the sound U as in fruit. Then we have V. 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 Van. Van. Then we have W. Ooh, water. Water. X. X. Six. Fix. Vixen. Then you have U, V, W, X, Y. We already saw, no? E sound. Yok. That is another thing we can take. Y-A-C-H-T. It's a small board, but it is called as a york. Then you have an animal called as a yak. Y-A-K. If someone is going on talking in class, no, the teacher will say, stop your yakking. No, yak, yak, yak. So that is also Y-A-K. Last we have Z. Zzz, as in the bees buzzing. And then you have in Z. Bye.